Policeman. Dentist. Pilot. Barber. Driver. House. Library. Hospital. Bridge. Gas station. Spade. Brush. Paint. Wrench. Ladder. Tape dispenser. Chalk. Erasers. Paper. Bags. Helen has a pair of strawberry eyes. The big dog is outside the cage. My dog has big ears. Annie has a mustache. The world is in my hands. Bravo!